My lovely Virgos, welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. So, Virgos, today we are going to do the collective reading for your sign for the month of June 2024. Please note that it's a collective reading and it might not resonate with all, so just take what resonates and leave the rest. Okay, you would also want to check other signs in your birth chart for a better and clear understanding. Also guys, if any of this is your story, if any of this resonates with you, do give the video a thumbs up, drop comments, share your experiences, and last but not the least, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Okay guys, so Virgos, while pre-shuffling, first thing that happened when I started shuffling this tarot deck was, I had a lot of tingling sensation on my right leg. Okay, like literally up and down my calf. Okay, by any chance, has anyone hurt his or her leg, or if at all someone out there might be having diabetes or sugar problems, and diabetic people need to take care of their legs or foot very very carefully and diligently. Okay, very specific, but it was very prominent. Okay, I couldn't miss it. Also, while pre-shuffling, by the way, this is the most vocal deck that I have amongst all my decks. Okay, all my tarot decks. I mean, the moment I take this deck, the cards start jumping out. But today, the cards wouldn't just come out. Okay, they just refuse to come out. I saw Four of Pentacles also. Someone out there is just not willing to talk, not willing to open up, not willing to share. Someone is in that mode or phase wherein you just want to be left alone. Okay, like, let me be, like, please let me be. Okay, don't bother, like that kind of energy. And it is coming through very very strongly, and it happens, like it really happens a lot to me, many times to me, wherein I just want, I don't know, I just don't want to, you know don't want to talk to anybody. I mean, it's nobody's fault, but you just tend to zone out sometimes. Okay, so that was the kind of energy I was getting, guys. For some of you guys, someone is probably playing mind games with you and you are just not understanding. Okay, today this person is good, tomorrow that person is not talking to you, or behaving very weird. Okay, so a little gaslighting kind of a behavior coming from someone, which is actually confusing you a lot. Okay, someone out there is actually kind of showing bipolar tendencies, and it's kind of muddling you up. Okay, you are not understanding what to do, how to deal with this person. Okay, another message that came was, someone is kind of trying to figure out something related to his or her parent. Okay, could be a single parent, mother or father. You are kind to take some decision related to your parent, or someone elderly in your family, and maybe you are planning a travel with them, or planning to shift them, relocate them, something of this sorts. Okay, very very specific again, might not resonate with everybody. Okay, so Virgos, yeah, these were some of the messages, and with that, let's get started, guys, and let's see what messages we have for you guys in your main deck. Okay, new opportunities for some of you guys. Yeah, this actually I had, I'm not surprised. Yeah, this was the first card that had flipped when I started shuffling. Something to do with, oh my god, there is Ace of Cups. Guys, is anyone meeting his or her soulmate by any chance? Okay, yeah, looks like so. Looks like so. Okay, let me just quickly see the camera. I think we are good, right? Yeah. So let's get started. Your health card is showing up, Two of Wands. Some of you guys might be, one message I'm getting very very clearly is, again, this is very specific and not going to resonate with all. Someone might be having some underlying issue, health issue or condition, and you are kind of probably reading out more about it, trying to find out more about it, and what to do, what not to do, precautions, dietary restrictions, exercises, physiotherapy maybe, okay. But some underlying health condition that you are trying to find out more about, okay. It could be for you, or it could be for someone in your friends or family circle, okay. That is coming through very strongly. It could be specific, guys, but yeah, that is coming very very strongly. You are finding out more information about something, some health condition. For others of you, you might be trying to chalk out, or trying to bring about some change in your workout, or in your diet, or in your nutrition, okay. You might be consulting a dietitian, or you might be reading more about something over the web, over the internet, and trying to figure out what might suit you, what you can implement, okay. You might be trying different workouts, okay. Like you could be doing yoga or zumba, virtual, like online classes. You might be taking online classes for any form of workout, okay. Be it yoga, zumba, or strength training, okay, but virtually is what I'm getting. And overall you are investing time in health, but right now you are in those initial stages. You might be planning to take these things, okay. You might be planning to enroll to online class, or you might be planning to start some new diet, okay. That is what I'm getting very very strongly, which is a good thing. As long as you're doing something to keep yourself fit and healthy, all is good, okay. That's what I'm getting very very strongly over here in terms of your health card. Your current energies, however, it kind of caught my eye because I had not expected this. The death card is surely indicating huge transformations, okay. Major shifts, major changes, could be some endings for some of you guys, okay. In all likelihood, likelihood, this could be an ending of some bond, or some friendship, or some ties with someone, okay. Either ways, the death card is significant of major churn, major events happening in your life, okay. Let's just quickly clarify. Let me use this deck for clarifying what is this transformation or death card for my lovely Virgos. Please tell me more. Oh my god, guys, really, I mean, oh my god. Guys, some of you guys might be expecting a baby. Now that is the transformation. This death card is a card of good news for you guys, like seriously. And in all probability you're not aware of it. See, there is a page over here, okay. Oh my god, this page is bringing you this news, okay. Someone out there is definitely not aware of this thing, okay. You really are not aware that you have conceived or are expecting baby, but definitely, guys, definitely baby on cards for someone out there, and heartiest congratulations. I can feel it in my bones. Someone definitely is going to be a parent over here, and oh my god, I'm so happy. This is really a pleasant surprise. Like really, really a pleasant surprise, guys. I am absolutely in awe of this clarifier. And for some of you guys, it's a beginning of new relationship. Rather, someone's family is going to be complete. Someone's family is going to be complete. And I am so happy, Virgos. I am truly, truly so happy for whoever this is applicable. If maybe after a couple of months down the line, when you feel it fit okay to disclose it, do come back and let me know that yes, you had said this in this month, and it has come true, because this has happened many a times. A couple of my readers have confirmed this news after a couple of months to me, and I am definitely going to wait to hear back from you, Virgos. I just know this is going to be true for someone. Yeah. Wow, such a pleasant surprise, guys. Your challenge is Knight of Pentacles. For some of you guys, you might be thinking that things are taking a lot of time, things are not progressing, they're not moving. But trust me, guys, have patience. Things are happening in the background. There is Chariot also in your overall energy, guys. So yes, things are happening in the background. Sometimes we may not see it immediately, and we tend to feel that okay, nothing is happening, nothing is shifting, nothing is moving, nothing is progressing. But that's not the case. Universe always has plan. There is always a time for everything. All you have to do is trust. Okay, I know it's very easier said than done. I mean, it could actually sound annoying also for you as a reader, because it happens to me also. I also feel very agitated when when I hear same type of preaching or very cliched statements. But that's how it is. I always, in a hindsight, I realize that yes, that definitely makes sense. Okay, so please guys, I apologize, but trust me, things are happening in the background. They are happening for your highest good. They are happening for long run. The Knight of Pentacles is the card of long run. Okay, and though it is the slowest moving energy, trust me, the impact is going to be for a longer term. So hang in there, have patience, everything is going to fall in place. Okay, your advice is Page of Cups. Someone, you're going to hear some good news guys. I am very sure about that. Now this page in this reading is telling a lot of things. One thing is pregnancy, definitely, like hands down. I have never been so confident in my reading, but trust me guys, pregnancy is very much on cards, in cards. Okay, for some of you guys, there's going to be a love offer coming your way. Okay, someone's family is going to be really really complete. There is this, look at these cards guys, just it's making me go like, oh, like literally I am in love with these cards and this energy. Someone's family is going to be complete with this Empress, either a baby or a new addition to a family, marriage. Okay, someone finding his or her perfect partner. Okay, someone might pop this beautiful question. This proposal itself is going to be very very cute, very very lovey-dovey. A water sign for sure, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces is going to show up. There is a lot of water, a lot of emotions showing up over here. And whoever this person is guys, I'm talking about those who are going to find his or her soulmate. This person adores you. Okay, absolutely adores you. You are the perfect man or woman this person could have ever dreamed of. Okay, and this bond, this union, this relationship is going to be full of love. You are tied together for lifetimes, like several lifetimes. Okay, and no wonder you're coming together this lifetime as well. So just wait and watch. Messages on your way, and important messages on your way. And just embrace yourself and just gear up for this good news that is going to come your way. Okay, wow, I am absolutely in love with these cards. New beginnings is your output. Again, undoubtedly new beginnings. There are two aces right away, Ace of Cups, Ace of Swords. For some of you guys, this page could mean a new project, new career opportunity, a new business opportunity. But for others out there, this page is a beginning of a new relationship. Okay, for some of you guys, you might get some new creative ideas. Okay, this page could also be indicative of new creative ideas coming to your mind. Okay, in your sleep maybe you'll get some, like, it's like if you are working on some important project and you are stuck over something, all of a sudden in sleep you'll get the downloads, you'll get that idea. When you woke up you'll get that, when you wake up, you'll get that euphoria moment, like wherein you'll be like, yes, this is it. Okay, so that is the kind of energy I'm getting guys. Definitely clarity is what you're going to gain very very soon regarding some matter. Okay, definitely new beginnings is what I'm seeing. Wow, like really Virgos, this is the cutest reading I'm doing so far for this month. I'm really loving it. Chariot, progress, the card of, oh my god, are we having three aces right away? Guys, definitely new beginnings. You out to know, you out to tell me what these new beginnings are for you guys, because I deserve at least that much, right? I mean, people are very, they show very miser tendencies even while hitting like button for my videos, okay? At least when the cards are so happy, when I'm rendering such happy message news, please do let me know, okay, what these new beginnings are. I'll be so happy for you guys. I'll like to join in your happiness, okay? The Fool card is also talking about new beginnings, okay? Definitely a fresh start for some of you guys. In term, it could be in terms of relationship, it could be in terms of work, profession, okay? But definitely a reboot. And Death and Fool card is a perfect combination. I had also seen Wheel of Fortune in your pre-shuffling. So your life, the wheel of your life is definitely shifting, guys, okay? It's shifting gears. You are entering into another chapter of your life, ending one chapter and entering into another chapter of your life, okay? So let loose, let go, learn your lessons, behold the kit, the bag of experiences that you have had from the past incidents or events, and just look forward, like look up high in the sky, just like this young lad in this picture, okay? You definitely have a reboot and another chance and a fresh new beginning, okay? Like I said, some of you guys are definitely going through some challenges, like day-to-day challenges, maybe could be at workplace or some things in family, even in families or friends we have some jealous people, jealous tendencies, a tendency of jealousy, bickering, bitching about each other. You guys are going through similar situation. I was getting this through your pre-shuffling also, but I did not find anything alarming over here. Yes, it could be annoying, yes, it could be irritating, but nothing that I should be warning you about, okay? It happens in everybody's life. It happens to me also many a times. It's just life. I mean, we deal with all sort of people, okay? And they come in our life, they throw some experiences so that our soul learns from those lessons, okay? That's basically it, okay? So nothing alarming over here. Virgos, really truly I am absolutely loving doing your reading, guys. I really love doing this reading. It is giving me that happy factor as a reader, okay, which is very rare. Which is very rare. Let's pull one card from this beautiful deck, guys. New moon in Sagittarius. By the way, we just like yesterday we had full moon in Sagittarius, and trust me, it has been such a heavy energy, such heavy days. Yesterday, day before, today. I am a Sagittarian sun, and I could actually feel the energies. Like, anyway, the card is saying that focus on the positive. Yes, focus on the positive. Do not give too much of energy and bandwidth to the negativity that is around you. You just keep on looking up high in the sky. Just focus on your dreams. Just focus on your goals. Just count your blessings and just look on the positive side of life. Especially when you are entering into a new happy phase of your life. If you're going to be a mother, going to experience motherhood or fatherhood, there is much more to thank for than to look upon or give attention to negative people or things around us, okay? Very beautiful message, guys. As we are heading, or rather as we have headed or hit the mid of the year already, like time has literally flown by. We are in the month of June with the blink of an eye. And let's take stock of the situation, and let's see what lesson your soul needs to learn for the remainder of the year, okay? This card just jumped. Friendship. I understand that a friend is in my life for a reason. Such a beautiful card, isn't it? I mean, it's very rare that I get this card. It is telling someone out there, or everyone, rather to everyone, including me, that you should value your friends, okay? Like, literally, friendship is one such bond which is just so unconditional, just so unconditional. We are demanding, we are giving, we are caring, There are hardly any expectations. We fight, we cry, we laugh together. So cherish the bonds that you have in your life, cherish the friendships that you have in your life. And well, it's a good reminder is what I would say to whoever needed to hear this, or irrespective of that, this is a good reminder for everybody. And I would like to thank my angels and archangels for passing on this message to everyone through this reading. Okay, Virgos, all in all, it was very beautiful reading, guys. One that I truly, truly loved doing. Okay, I hope you liked it too. I hope you enjoyed it too. And like I said, I will be waiting to hear from you. Okay, so I'll see you next one, guys. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye. Take care.